and welcome to our online live classes. So today we are going to do a short vinyasa flow. So let's find yourself in the mat and then come up on the tabletop. The variation, we will start from the tabletop. Press your hands on the floor, lift your knees off the floor, and then find the balance. Press your hands, press your fingertips on the floor, and do not make any arch on your back. Squeeze in your butt and then hold the position. 3, 2, and then 1. Drop your knee down. Inhale, lifting your head up. Make an arch on your back. Lower your abdomen down. Slightly scoop your tailbone high. Reach up and then exhale. Squeeze in your butt. Push your hip forward. Again, inhale, reach up. Roll your tailbone high. Push. Press your hands on the floor. Exhale. Drop your head down. Hump on your back. Very nice. Again, lift your head up. Make an arch. Press your palms. 3. Reaching high with your head. 2. And then exhale. Hump on your back. Squeeze into your butts. Again, press your hands on the floor. Lift your head up for the cow. Exhale for the cat. Inhale, head up, make an arch, press your hands on the floor. 3, 2, and last 1. Exhale, drop your head down, hump on your back. Now tuck your toes under, hips high on the floor, hips high towards the ceiling. Come up into the downward facing dog. You can always press your heel against something so that it will be easy to get that stretch. It will be easy to get your hips more higher than before. So let's suppose you are pressing your heels on the floor. It will be a little bit difficult to reach your hips high, but when you are coming up onto the bolster or something underneath your feet, then it will be more easy to reach high from the tailbone. Right? Then drop your knees down, chest down, chin down on the floor. Inhale, swing forward, cobra, or in the cobra you need to place your hips on the floor, bend your elbows, roll your shoulders back. Exhale, again, roll over your toes for the downward facing dog. Normalize your breath, drop your knee down, and then come back into the child pose. So relax there and just prepare your mind for the today's sequence. Breathe in and out, inhale and exhale. Now again find yourself in the tabletop. Reach your right hand up high in the air to the right side. Look up high, all the way out. Exhale, swing your right arm underneath your left armpit. And then take your left hand high. 3, 2, and then 1. Exhale, left hand on the floor. Reach your right arm up over the head. All the way out. Exhale, again swing your right hand underneath your left armpit. Reach your left hand high. 3, 2, and then 1. Exhale, left hand on the floor. Reach your right hand all the way high to the right side, and then drop your right hand on the floor. I'm really sorry. Inhale, take your hands up, open high. Exhale, swing your left hand underneath your right armpit, and then reach your right arm up over the head. Bring your both shoulders in line. Open up your arms. 3, 2, open your heart all the way out to the right side as you exhale. And then 1. Exhale, right hand on the floor. Inhale, back to the center. Go slow as possible. Exhale, release back into the tabletop. Now tuck your toes under, send your legs back for the plank, and then get back for the downward facing dog. Now from here, make a wave throughout your body. Bend your knees, swing forward, all the way swing forward, make an arch. Look up high, exhale, and then move back for the downward facing dog. Again, bend your knees, swing forward, make a hunch on your back, reach high, look up high, exhale, again roll back. The same way you will get back into the downward facing dog. And make a wave throughout your spine, swing forward, reach up high with your head, exhale, again roll back for the downward facing dog. Now one more time, swing forward, all the way high, inhale, upward facing dog, roll back for the downward facing dog. Pedal out your legs one by one. Press your one leg at a time, and take your right leg in to the left side if you are pressing your left heel on the floor. Inhale back to the center. Exhale on the other side. Take your left leg out and in. 3, 2, and then 1. Again back. Exhale, release the tension from your feet, from your leg, and then exhale on the other side. 3, 2, and last 1. Now drop your knee down. Now release back and rotate your wrist if you are having that pressure, and release the tension from there. Rotate it clockwise and then anti-clockwise. Now again find yourself in the tabletop. Press your hands on the floor and now make a fist with thumb inside with your right arm. Exhale. Now make a fist with thumb inside with your left arm and then exhale. Now again one more time. Make a fist with thumb inside with your right arm and then exhale. Thumb inside with your left arm. 3, 2, and last 1. Now after this, place your right hand on your left shoulder and then left hand on your right shoulder. With exhalation, you will squeeze and release, and inhalation, back. 5, 4, good job, just engaging to your butts. 3, 2, and last 1. Now back to the center and then lower your chest down, Chaturanga Dandasana. So no need to all the way get down, just restrict this action by squeezing your butt and then bend your elbows slightly. Inhale, upward facing dog, and then roll back for the downward facing dog. Press your hands on the floor, rotate your arms outward and reach your hips high, press your heels on the floor. 3, 2, and then 1. Again swing forward, make a wave throughout your spine, look up high. Exhale, roll back for the downward facing dog. Inhale, again swing forward, reach high for the upward facing dog. Exhale, roll back for the downward facing dog. So pedal out your legs one by one. 5, 4, 3, 2, and then 1. Again swing forward, reach high, and then press your hands and then hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, and then 1. Again move back into the downward facing dog. So today we have got a lot of variation into the downward facing dog, and we are working out on the strength of your arms. And for the last 3, 2, and then 1. There are 2 more exercises are left, then we'll get over of this video. Now again swing forward, make a wave throughout your spine, reach up and then press your hands. Again move back for the downward facing dog. Now press your palms, sitting into, cross your legs and then sit up straight on your lower leg into Vajrasana. Inhale, hands up, and then exhale, take your hands back, roll your arms in, open up your chest, breathe in here and then exhale, complete forward bend. Bring your hands up towards the ceiling, reach your hands out, inhale again back, open up your chest and then exhale, bend forward. One more time, inhale, reach up, open up your chest, exhale, drop your head down, inhale, again reach up, head high, and then exhale, release your hands. Now roll your shoulders up, back and down to release all the tension from your shoulders. As you inhale, lift your shoulders high. As you exhale, lower your shoulders down. And then relax your hands. So this was all for today's class. So we have learned so far the downward facing dog variation and then tabletop variation. Thank you so much for joining me here. Namaste to everyone.